M'bral bon yon mot pour chaque lettre qui dans l'alphabet et les wale ple non, ou choisi mot ça pour qu'a faire bien. Let's go. The first letter is A. C'est ça nous te dit en anglais, nous te dit ça c'est A, pas vrai? Nous te dit A. Mais attention, be careful guys. OK? C'est A dans l'alphabet. Mais l'el paraît dans un mot li capable de plusieurs sons. It might have different kinds of sounds. Li capable de plusieurs sons. Mais dans cas ça, in this case, what you need to know, try to pronounce the word the same way as I do. For example, par exemple, nous avons A. En anglais, c'est A. Eh bien, pour dire pomme, OK, pomme, en anglais, pomme, ou dit c'est apple. Mais si vous avez dit, if they say to me, could you spell for me the word apple? M'tap dit c'est A-P-P-L-E. Ça c'est apple. This is apple. In for B. Bon vocabulaire, give me a word that starts with the letter B. Bon mot, give me a word. Give me bon mot qui commence par lettre B. Ball. Ballon, hein? Ball. It's a ball. Sinon, non gen B ou ka choisi, l'on dit non ou dit ball. For the letter C, say cat. C as in cat. Really? C as in cat. Le moun a parlé avant. Can you spell that? What the B as in ball. C as in cat. D as in dog. E as in elephant. Really? E as in elephant. What is this? It's an elephant. Is this a ball? No, it's not a ball. It's an elephant. Next word, we have fish. Oh, yes. F as in fish. G as in grapes. Raisin, oui? Grapes. How can I say raisin? Grapes. Okay, raisin. Next word. Let me see the next word. On dit mot suivant. Mot après. The next word. Mot suivant. Okay. H as in house. I as in ice cream. Non, mes amis. Comme on dit crème à la glace, on dit ice cream. Nous gagnons J. Quand on te dit ça encore? You say J. J as in juice. Pas jamais as in. Never forget as in. And put the word. K as in kite. Oh, qu'est-ce que kite là encore? Kite là, cerf-volant. Pourquoi l'autre petit? Kite. Oh, that's a kite. Kite. L as in lion. Oh, lion. L'autre dit lion en anglais, on dit c'est lion. Oh, I'm afraid of lion. Moi peur lion. Okay? Okay. M as in monkey. Ooh, Saint-Louis. Look at it. Look at it. It's a monkey. M as in monkey. N as in nurse. Nurse, infirmière. Où c'est yon infirmière? Est-ce que c'est une infirmière? Next word. O as in orange. Comment on dit orange en anglais, mes amis? Comment on dit orange? Orange. I'm going to buy an orange. M'bral acheter yon orange. Orange. Next word. P as in pink. Pink. C'est ça rose là. Okay? Pink. It's a color. Son couleur, l'on dit pink. Okay. How can I say it? Pink. And this one. And this one. It's Q as in queen. 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 Okay. It's ça que les reines. It's that. And this one. It's wabbit. R as in wabbit. R as in wabbit. Ooh. Lapin. Next is sun. Sun. Soleil, oui? Sun. S as in sun. T as in tiger. T as in tiger. U as in uniform. Uniform. Uniform, oui? And V as in violin. Violon. OK? Ou dit c'est violin. Mon yo souvent dit W. No, don't say W, say W. It's water. Water, okay? Water, de l'eau. X as in X-way. X-way, mes amis. X as in X-way. Y as in yellow. On dit couleur jaune, on dit c'est yellow. Yellow. And then Z, the last one is zebra. Okay, zebra. Zebra. Anale, zebra. Great job. Let's spell the word together. On nous appelle mot sa yo ensemble let après let. Airplane. Avion, oui? Airplane. We have Jessica. Okay, nous gagnons A. Nabzi. A as in apple. I as in ice cream. R as in rabbit. P as in pink. L as in lion. A as in apple. N as in nurse. E as in elephant. Now, can you spell Jessica? Try to do that yourself. Essayez faire ça pour compte. Let's make a review. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flower. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for cat. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nurse. O for orange. P for pink. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for violin. W for water. X for x-ray. Y for yellow. And Z for zebra. Okay, catch you next. Dooke.